Hello moms! I have one wonderful product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a baby food maker and it's very nicely designed, compact size, and yet it can make up to 4 cups of baby food at once. It also very well made out of high quality and durable materials, stainless steel and BPA-free plastic. It's non-toxic. This multi-useful baby food maker features steaming, mixing, blending, mincing, reheating, defrosting, and so much more. It's so convenient and very simple to use. It's designed with touch control panel right here, and all parts are removable and easy washable. It also comes with the nice recipe book for baby food. I like this product very much. Quality is amazing, simple and convenient to use. I would highly recommend it to any mom.